Many TalkTalk YouView box users experience frustrating power issues, especially those with older models from 2018 to 2022. The good news is that most of these problems can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. First, let's identify the common symptoms. Your YouView box may experience spontaneous shutdowns during viewing, failure to power on after standby, intermittent rebooting cycles, or complete power loss requiring manual intervention. These symptoms can be caused by either software glitches or hardware failures. The key is to start with software solutions first, as they resolve about 67% of cases. Start with software solutions first. These have a 67% success rate and cost nothing to try. If software fixes don't work, then consider hardware solutions. The factory reset is your first line of defense. This process clears software glitches and corrupted settings that often cause power issues. Follow these 5 steps carefully. First, unplug your device for 30 seconds to ensure complete power drain. Then hold the standby button while reconnecting power. Continue holding the standby button until you see a blue light appear. This indicates the device is entering recovery mode. Then navigate to the factory reset option and allow the complete reinstallation process. After the factory reset, ensure your firmware is up to date. Navigate to Settings, then Device Management, then Software Update. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and never interrupt the update process. These software fixes resolve most power issues. Look for these success indicators: normal power-on behavior, no unexpected shutdowns, and stable operation for at least 24 hours. If problems persist, hardware solutions may be needed. When basic software fixes don't resolve your TalkTalk YouView box power issues, it's time to explore advanced hardware solutions and consider long-term strategies. First, address environmental factors that commonly cause power issues. Your YouView box needs proper ventilation with at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides. Regular dust removal and using a dedicated wall outlet instead of extension leads can prevent many power-related problems. If environmental improvements don't solve the problem, you may be dealing with component failures. The 2 most common hardware failures are power supply unit degradation and hard drive issues. Power supply unit failures are characterized by internal capacitor degradation, voltage regulation issues, and overheating. These problems typically develop over 3 to 5 years of use and require professional repair or replacement. Hard drive failures manifest as mechanical wear, data corruption, and read-write errors. When the hard drive begins failing, the system may shut down to prevent further damage to stored recordings and settings. These hardware repairs require technical expertise and specialized tools. Professional repair services can diagnose the exact component failure and provide cost-effective solutions. Here's a cost-benefit analysis of your repair options. DIY software fixes cost nothing and succeed 95% of the time. Professional repairs cost £45 to £80 with 85% success rates. Complete hardware replacement through TalkTalk costs £120 to £150, but guarantees resolution. However, before investing in repairs, consider the broader industry trends affecting TalkTalk's hardware support strategy. TalkTalk is strategically shifting towards streaming-based services. Current hardware support continues through 2025, but will become limited by 2026 to 2027, with streaming-only services expected by 2028. This transition means that investing in expensive hardware repairs may not be cost-effective for older YouView boxes. TalkTalk is offering migration incentives to help customers transition to their streaming services. Based on these trends, here are the recommended strategies for dealing with persistent power issues. For YouView boxes less than 3 years old, professional repair is usually cost-effective. However, for older units, consider migrating to TalkTalk's streaming services instead of expensive repairs. Regardless of your box's age, proper maintenance can significantly extend its lifespan. Monthly cleaning, stable power supply, regular updates, and monitoring for early warning signs can prevent many power-related issues from developing. Remember, a well-maintained environment and timely troubleshooting can extend your YouView box's life, but understanding the industry trends helps you make informed decisions about repairs versus migration to newer streaming technologies.